So let's talk a little bit about promotion. So there's a lot of different ways that you can encourage people to follow you on Yodel. And we've provided a couple different assets to you to help make this a little bit easier. So one of those being our promotional kit. So if you select more on your account, you'll see this option for promote. If you click on this, this will take you to a Google Drive that we've created and given access to you. And it has social media content, printed materials, etc. It also has our logo so that you can create your own content if you would like. But this is a great resource for you to promote your events on Yodel, encouraging people to follow you, etc. Another great thing is to utilize this button, put it on your website, let people know that you're on Yodel, put it as many places as possible to encourage people to follow you. So heading back over to your account, let's check out the account settings page. So up here in the right-hand corner, I go to account settings, and here's where you'll find your very own QR code. This is what you can use to drive people to your events and schedules on Yodel. You don't have to ask people to search for you. You can just take them directly where you want them to go. So you can do that by utilizing this QR code. You also have a link here that's specific to your organization. You can copy that and share it wherever you would like, maybe on social media, maybe on your website with that button. It's a great way to drive people straight to your schedules and events. And then you can print this QR code, you can download it as a PNG or share it elsewhere.